Alright, fellas. Let's make a Philly cheesesteak. Just drop those peppers in there. Get a little bit of oil already. Let those cook down a little bit to your preference. Alright. Now we got the Philly steak in there. Pepper's good and charred up. Make sure you season this too. Alright, now she should start turning out. So if you eat peppers, it should look like that. See, I just do it just to get the taste. I'm gonna take mine out when I make my sandwich. Gotta have that provolone. With some chips, with them Lays. Oh, let's plate. Oh, man. Yes, sir. Another quick and easy one, fellas. Go ahead and throw you some Philly cheesesteak in that pan. Provolone cheese. Season that up with some chips. A1.